Q&A. Q&A. I hope you're all very well prepared to get bored out of your brains for 15 minutes, because that's what I'm here to do. This is the final part. Now, if you did not get your question answered, it's because I actually made this video like a month ago and I just had so many questions. The whole thing was recorded in one take and it was like over an hour long, so I had to cut it down and split it up into multiple videos. Don't worry though, if you are sad that your question didn't get answered, I can always do another Q&A in the future. Probably not for a little while though. Can we bring back yet You Choose Tuesdays by Fake Name? I know, You Choose Tuesdays, it needs to come back, doesn't it? You Choose Tuesdays was basically all for the subs. You guys voted, no, you guys commented down on my videos on a Tuesday asking for a song, and whatever got the most votes, that following week I would make a song on that subject. And I made so many random songs. I made a song about rapping whilst rapping a chicken rap. I made a song about fake friends. I made a song about Jake Paul and a dustbin. I made a song about always being late because I quite often never even got them out on a Tuesday. So I would really like to bring You Choose Tuesdays back. I'm just a little bit worried because I know how stressful it will be, like having to research all these new subjects and stuff. Angie, Fraser-Nash, what inspired you to start making your Sings a Song videos? By the way, amazing job. It literally just started because I titled the Pennywise Sings a Song, Pennywise Sings a Song. I titled it that because I thought that was like kind of catchy. I thought it might grab people's attention. Along with a thumbnail, it looked like an official video. And then it started taking off. Like before that, my videos were getting like maybe 2,000 views, like max. And then the Pennywise one came out, and within a week it was on like 5,000, nearly 10,000. I was like, I got to make another one. So I did Pennywise Raps a Song. That one started taking off as well. I thought, how can I milk this? So I wrote a song for Billy. Billy Sings a Song, and it was cemented from that point on. From as soon as I wrote the Billy Sings a Song, like Pennywise sings a song, Pennywise sings a song, Pennywise raps a song, Billy sings a song. Okay, let's keep this going. I'm just going to make a series on every single character, and this is going to turn into something much bigger. Pennywise the Dancing Clown, Fraser-Nash, what is your favourite song of Stranger Things and It? Ooh, now that is hard. That is damn hard. How do I choose my favourite? I will choose a favourite for Stranger Things and a favourite for It, because for Stranger Things, my favourite that I've written is probably going to be Mike Sings a Song. I planned for that to really surprise people with 11 showing up at the end, and I think it worked really, really well. If you haven't seen Mike Sings a Song yet, what are you doing? And for It, maybe Bev Sings a Song. That's one of my favourites. Yeah, I'll choose those two. Jackson Moe, is Veronica your girlfriend or your friend? Well, I mean, as much as I would love Veronica to be my girlfriend, I've never actually met Veronica. She's from Canada. I'm from England. Yeah, we're just friends. Evie, Q&A, what is your favourite show on Netflix? And thanks for answering me on Instagram at Stranger Things Fan. Okay, my favourite show on Netflix. Currently, I'm watching Rick and Morty. I've only just started watching Rick and Morty, and I think it's genius. It's really, really clever. My all-time favourite show, though, which isn't on Netflix anymore, probably be The American Office. It's too good. And a show that I can pretty much watch no matter what and be happy, probably like Friends, American Dad, and Family Guy. I could watch any episode and be happy. But yeah, American Office, probably my all-time favourite, and currently on Netflix, Rick and Morty. And I do really want to watch Big Mouth and The End of the Effing World. They look good. Yakub Mert, Fraser-Nash, what's your favourite voice to do?
Well, I mean, my favourite voice is my own voice. This one that I'm using right now. If you don't know who I'm trying to impersonate, then you need to go back to school. I'm a very, very famous person.
But, in all honesty, I like talking like a British mystery Russian. I find the Russian accent very fun. I like to confuse people when I go out and meet people. I like to pretend that I'm from Russia. they more often than not completely believe me. The Brishkis, I don't know what that was. But if I'm gonna do it like the Irish, one of my favorite accents is probably the Irish. Can I do any other voices? Arnold! I could try and do Arnold, but I'm not very good. Get to the chopper.
Maybe you should just stick to Pennywise, Aaron. Yes.
Yeah, my favorite voice, probably Russian or Pennywise. CJ versus Gaming. Fraser-Nash, how do you do the Pennywise voice? Doesn't it hurt your throat? It does hurt my throat, but only if I'm like going crazy with a song. Like a lot of the songs where I've used the Pennywise voice, it really starts to hurt your throat after a little while. But like if I do it like right now, if I try and do it right now, it doesn't really hurt until I go low and aggressive. It was real enough for Georgie. Okay, Samantha, for the Q&A, can you do this? What is your favorite horror film, or what AMD you start writing music? What age you start writing music? I'll pretend it's that. My favorite horror film. To be honest, I don't even like horror films. I really don't. I hate gore in films. Yeah, It is like the only horror film I've seen in maybe a year. Well, I quite liked the first couple of Saws because they were clever. I like clever stories that have you guessing, have you thinking, like what's going on. So yeah, the Saw films were good. Other than that though, like to be honest, I haven't really watched many horror films. Oh, the ones that really scared me the most though, probably Paranormal Activity series. Some of you will be thinking, what? That's not scary. But I genuinely found those films scary. And I quite like that they were subtle as well. There wasn't like loads of blood and gore and horrible things going on. It just felt real. That's what I liked about it. And what age did I start writing music? I think I was 14 when I got a digital 4-track mixer and I was playing guitar. I attempted at putting songs together. One of the first songs I ever did, I think it was like House of the Rising Sun. Like I did a cover of that. Mixed it all on this digital 4-track. This was before I could do anything on computers and all the technical ability. I had no real knowledge back then. But yeah, about 14. Zomba Gaming Girl, she's asked a load of questions on Instagram. She said, when did you start it? Okay, she's from Spain, so she doesn't make much sense. When did you start it? I started in 2009, but yeah, very slow start. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know how to video edit. So number 2 that she's asked, is YouTube your hobby or job? And this kind of links into sort of when you started, because I really went full on in 2016. I quit my job. I saved up a load of money. What I thought was a load of money. I thought it would be enough to last me like for long enough, because I like YouTube, you don't really make much money unless you're getting like millions of views, which like I'm really thankful that I am getting now, but I wasn't. And I took a huge risk back in 2016. I saved up a load of money, quit my job. I said I'm gonna make videos every single day, and I was able to start putting out 2 videos each week, 2 songs each week, and I did that for 2016, from like April 2016 all the way up till October 2017. That's when the channel started blowing up. So I was literally broke, out of money, never going out, hardly buying any food, literally broke. I had no money left. And then all of a sudden Pennywise comes out, and I can now make a living off of YouTube. Unbelievable. It's a dream come true. Like, and I owe it all to Pennywise and you guys. But seriously, like, how crazy is that? This was just a hobby. This was just a hobby. But the thing is, I was doing it from 2009, okay? So I've always been making videos. Like, I did used to make videos a lot slower back then, like once a month, once every 2 months. But I've always just done it as a hobby. And then I just took a big risk in 2016. I said, no, like, I can do this. I put all my energy into it, spent a whole year non-stop making videos, getting nowhere. Like, you really, like, sometimes you just really got to keep on going for it, like, really just keep on pushing and you will break through. Question 3 that she asked is, what do you like most of YouTube? Okay, well, watching videos. I like watching tutorials. I like learning new things. If you ever want to learn something, just type it in on YouTube. You'll learn it like that. It's incredible. Everything that I've learned has been off of YouTube. So that's my favorite thing about YouTube. But what do I like about YouTube as a content creator? I like that I can put stuff out and people can see it. Like, I have an audience now. It's like the best thing ever. You guys like and you comment and you subscribe and you share with your friends. Like, that is crazy that I've got this reach for people to see what I'm creating. Like, it's a dream come true. I've always been a creator. I've always wanted to make stuff, whether it be songs or art or videos. I've always just wanted to create and tell stories, and I can do that, and I can get paid, like with Google Ads. Like, it's just crazy. So I'm so thankful for that. There's the best things about YouTube, definitely. What you dislike? I dislike negative people. I dislike narrow-minded people. I don't know. I don't really dislike that much. I dislike that I have this ulcerative colitis. That's quite a broad question. I don't know how to answer that, but I've tried. Why did I start? Yeah, pretty much. I've answered that already. What do you think that it's the most important for your subscriptors? I think it like that the word. What do I think is most important for the subscribers? Well, for my subscribers. I think it's important that you subscribers get what you want and that you're satisfied with my content. That's why I will make it a key part of my channel to look at your comments, to see if a topic, if a song is really, really wanted, really requested, and just make songs that I think you will like and you will enjoy. That's the most important thing to me. Do you think everyone can do what you are doing? 100%. All it takes is a hell of a lot of patience, okay? Nearly 9 years ago, when I started the channel, I didn't know anything about video editing. I didn't know anything about editing like artwork in Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, but I do now. And it's because I've watched tutorials on how to do it. Can everyone do that? Hell yeah, you can. The only thing it takes is the patience. You do have to sit there and you have to watch the video and you have to recreate it. That's another little tip that I would suggest. If you are wanting to learn how to do something in After Effects or any Adobe program, do it as you go. So watch the tutorial, pause the tutorial, do exactly what they did. Because so many times I tried to watch tutorials and then I would go and try and remember what they said. And it doesn't work like that. You've got to pause the video. So yeah, everyone can do. The only advantage that I think I have with, like, let's say a natural skill is because, like, every sort of, like, I do everything with these videos. So I'm in control of, like, music, I'm in control of the lyrics, the editing, the video editing, the artwork, the animations, and I do all of that. But none of these talents were like just God-given talents. You know, I didn't start with any of these talents. There's one talent that I think I have had just since birth, and I think that's the only kind of advantage that I have, and that's a kind of natural rhythm. Like, I think I can just I can rap, like the first time I ever rapped, I did it like perfectly in time. And I have like I'm quite a good dancer, so I think I just naturally have a good rhythm, so that's one advantage. But everything else, like singing, I can't sing. That just takes practice. Yeah, video editing, I didn't know how to do that, just learned it over time, got better over time. Drawing, I wasn't always good at drawing things, and especially not on the computer. I didn't know how to do that. That you learn over time, you pick it up. Doing animations and 3D work, of course I didn't know how to do that. Like, all these things you can do. You can pick it up easy. Well, not easy, but with patience you can achieve anything. Just don't give up on yourself. Boom! It's all done. The Q&A is over. But now, can you answer my question? Would you rather watch paint dry or watch another Don A. Ron Q&A? If you voted to watch another Q&A, don't worry, because here's all the other parts. Tomb Raider, Lara Croft is coming this week. It'll be pretty dope, I think. But thank you all very much for watching the video. I will see you all very, very soon. Bye-bye.
Ninja stars in my counter, nunchucks, chillin' with my hangers. Black clothes for the winter weather, and black clothes for when it's summer. I live for the stealthy shit. Try find me a line and I think you'll quit. I'm the last man standing, your team just shit. You won't see it coming till you get hit. I kill you with just a stick. Batters up, home run, you giving up. Run home, go cry to your mama and tell her you just been schooled by a ninja.